Intro. Sound of a bustling city, with a mix of English accents and foreign languages. Narrator. In a curious tone, have you ever wondered if Monzo, the popular UK-based digital bank, is exclusive to British residents? Or can citizens from other countries also enjoy its innovative features? Let's dive in and find out. Hook. A montage of people from various backgrounds using their phones, with Monzo's app interface prominently displayed. Narrator. We've all heard about Monzo's sleek app, fee-free spending, and easy-to-understand budgeting tools. But is this financial freedom only accessible to those living across the pond? Body. 1. Monzo's global appeal. Visuals of Monzo's website and app, highlighting their multilingual features. Narrator. While Monzo initially focused on the UK market, its popularity has led to a growing international presence. The bank has expanded its services to several countries, including Germany. Monzo has established a strong foothold in Germany, offering its digital banking solutions to German customers. France. The French market has also embraced Monzo, with many French citizens opting for its convenient and transparent banking services. The United States. Although Monzo hasn't officially launched in the US yet, there has been significant interest and speculation about its potential entry into the American market. 2. The benefits of Monzo for non-UK residents. Visuals of people using Monzo's app to make payments, transfer money, and track their spending. Narrator. If you're a non-UK resident considering Monzo, here's what you can expect. Fee-free spending. Enjoy worldwide ATM withdrawals and currency conversions without incurring hefty fees. Easy budgeting. Use Monzo's intuitive tools to track your spending, set financial goals, and avoid overspending. Instant notifications. Receive real-time alerts for every transaction, ensuring you're always in control of your finances. Customer support. Benefit from Monzo's excellent customer service, available through in-app chat and email. 3. Opening a Monzo account as a non-UK resident. Visuals of the Monzo app sign-up process. Narrator. To open a Monzo account as a non-UK resident, you'll typically need to meet the following requirements. Proof of identity. Provide valid identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. Proof of address. Verify your current address with utility bills or bank statements. UK residency. While Monzo may require you to have a UK address, it's worth checking their specific eligibility criteria. 4. Potential challenges and considerations. Visuals of people facing challenges with international banking. Narrator. While Monzo offers many advantages, there are a few potential challenges to be aware of. Currency exchange rates. Although Monzo generally offers competitive exchange rates, it's always a good idea to compare them with other providers. Limited physical presence. As a digital-first bank, Monzo may not have physical branches in all countries. Regulatory differences. Banking regulations can vary across countries, so it's important to understand any specific requirements or limitations that may apply. 5. The future of Monzo and international expansion. Visuals of a world map with Monzo's logo superimposed on various countries. Narrator. As Monzo continues to grow, it's likely that the bank will expand its services to even more countries in the future. This could mean greater accessibility for non-UK residents and even more innovative financial products. Conclusion. A montage of people from diverse backgrounds smiling while using their Monzo app. Narrator. So, is Monzo only for UK citizens? The answer is no. While the bank may have originated in the UK, it has successfully expanded its reach to several other countries, offering its convenient and transparent banking services to a global audience. Sound of a city street, fading out. Narrator. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.